This is my little build for Wendy. Computer build here, Intel. Small little ITX build. And I used a Corsair 750 watt power supply off an older computer that I built many years ago, but the power supply is obviously in excellent shape and works perfectly fine. Use that. I have a small ITX ROG Strix B360i gaming motherboard here. 16 megs of DDR4 Corsair RAM. It's an i5-8400 CPU. I've reused this MSI GTX 960. I believe it's a 4 meg card for this build. So I'm going to reuse that, and I got a Noctua 120 intake fan there. I have a Noctua mini tower NHD9L going in there for the CPU cooler, and then another I believe it's a 90mm fan for exhaust there. So that's my build for my wife for her birthday. Happy birthday, Wendy.